How to fix Terra Invicta crashing on Steam. You want to right click on the game in your library and then go to the General tab, and under Launch Options add the following command, which is -dx11, and then go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files and wait for it to finish the process of validating. And once it's completed, you want to check that you have the latest updates installed. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you will need to install NVIDIA app. You can download it from your browser by searching for NVIDIA app and download it from the first link here. And then go to the drivers, Game Ready driver, and make sure to download and install the latest available driver. And the last step is to install the redistributables. You can search for redist and click on the first link, and from the second table here you want to download the 86 and the 64, both of them. Once you finish installing both of these, it will ask you to restart your computer, and right after the restart you want to run Steam as admin. Right click and run as admin, and then you can proceed to launch the game again, and this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.